vívoactive 3 Music has storage for up to 500 songs, so you can leave your phone behind and still listen to your favorite tunes. In this video, we'll show you how to download your music and start listening. You can get to the music widget from the watch face by swiping down once from the watch face. During activities, you can quickly access the music widget by swiping right to the watch face, then down. Swipe left to return to the activity screens. To download your own music to the watch, plug the watch into your computer with the included USB cable. Use your preferred media management program to create and edit playlists. When you're ready to send songs or playlists to your watch, open Garmin Express, select your device, and then select Music. Click the checkboxes to choose which of your favorite songs, playlists, artists, albums, and even audiobooks and podcasts you'd like to send to your watch. When you're done making your choices, click Send to Device. After the download finishes, you can unplug the watch. Before you can start listening, you'll need to pair your Bluetooth headphones with the watch. Now that you've added music to the watch, you'll be prompted to connect headphones when you use the music controls. You can connect headphones now, or as we will show you, you can connect later through the Manage menu. Tap on this icon at the bottom of the music widget. Then select Manage and Headphones. Put your headphones in pairing mode and keep them near your watch. Select Add New. The watch will search for Bluetooth headphones. When your headphones are found, they'll appear on screen. Tap or select your headphones and complete the pairing process. To access your music library on the watch, simply return to the music controls by tapping the 3 dots, then tap on the source icon. From here, choose My Music. Here you can swipe through your music, sorted by playlists, artists, albums, songs, and even by genre. For long lists, you can scroll more quickly by flicking your finger up. Return to the music controls to adjust the volume. Repeat a single track or all tracks, and turn Shuffle on or off. Swipe back once more to return to the music widget to play pause, and select Next or Previous Track. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about using the vívoactive 3 Music, including how to sync with select third-party music providers.